This is an ENT student. I'm here to explain the competency number 2.8, which is to demonstrate the correct technique to perform and interpret pure tone audiogram and impedance audiogram. Before going into the audiometry, first let us discuss what is audiology room. It is a room where the audiologist and the patient are sat together with which are separated by transparent glass. The room should be quiet, the room should be sound treated, and the audiology room should have a proper balance between the reflection and absorption of the sound. So, pure tone audiometry, it is the most common hearing assessment technique. It is used to identify hearing threshold levels of an individual, enabling determination of the degree, type, and configuration of a hearing loss. Pure tones are delivered to the ear through the headphones for air conduction and by bone vibrator for bone conduction. Hearing level in decibel above the normal threshold is plotted. The frequency tested is usually in range from 250 to 8000 Hz. Masking is done to prevent the hearing from normal ear while testing the deaf ear. It occurs due to crossover of sound from testing ear to the normal ear. Hooth's plateau method of masking provides ideal masking. It can also be provided by Barney noise box. This is a picture of showing the pure tone audiometry being done. So these are the symbols used to plot in the audiogram, which we'll be seeing later on. So how do you interpret an audiogram? The pure tone average is the average of the hearing threshold levels at 500, 1000 and 2000 Hz only. The deafness can be created into several categories by air conduction threshold. So 10 to 15 decibels is normal hearing, 16 to 25 decibels is minimal hearing, 26 to 40 decibels is mild deafness, 41 to 55 decibels is moderate deafness, 56 to 70 decibels is moderately severe deafness, 71 to 90 decibels is severe deafness. Above 90 decibels is profound deafness. There are three types of deafnesses. First is conductive deafness, which means the bone conduction is normal but air-bone gap is 20 decibels or more. Sensory neural deafness, it is the bone conduction is more than 20 decibels and air-bone gap is 10 decibels or less. Mixed deafness is if bone conduction is more than 20 decibels and air-bone gap is 10 decibels or more. So coming to the audiogram, this is an audiogram showing normal hearing level. The dotted lines show the bone conduction and the straight lines show air conduction. This is an audiogram showing mild conductive deafness of right ear. Mild because pure tone average is 40 decibels and airborne gap of more than 20 decibels is present. This is an audiogram showing Carhart's notch at 2000 Hz. Carhart's notch is due to loss of